internet. This is my old, probably 8-month-old suede steering wheel. It's not the best. I don't know if this happens to all suede or not, but yeah, it's got pretty gross and just makes your hands go black. So we're going from drift spec to race car spec, and it's gonna cook my hands in the summer, but whatever. So usually you'd have to put a boss kit on, but this already has a boss kit which I'll put on. So yeah, new steering wheel time. The box it comes with, little Allen key. Just undo, well, usually meant, oh, it's bloody tight. Usually just for doing them up, but in this case undoing them also. Fairly simple. All you're doing really is just taking the bloody nuts out. Fuck. That bloody tight, and the Allen key's that small, you can get shit all leverage. Excuse the black hands too. As you would have seen in my previous half-assed video, I was servicing the Skyline, and then my mate came over in his Skyline, and my hands got black from that because I had to put a new power steering bolt on it because his snapped when he was getting it or something. That's what he says anyway. So Josh, if you're watching, you're welcome. Another video which is coming out eventually is the one where I'm making my front lip, and I needed cable ties but I forgot to buy them today, so Josh's payment to me was 4 cable ties, so thank you, Josh. I'm gonna need more than one hand, hey? So just take that off, and then it's pretty straightforward. Doesn't take a genius to do a steering wheel. Okay, so the steering wheel's out. It's not quick release or anything, but here's the old one, the old Saints horn. Yeah. The new one, it'll just blip right on there. And if you compare them, they're about the same size, so it's legal. I know in America there's not really laws. This nut here, if you're doing it from you know, from your original wheel, you have to crack that loose, take the wheel off, and then slap the boss kit on. Yeah, fun. Blip. Done. I can't really do that with one hand, so I'll be back. Alright, so it's pretty much on. Just gotta up. I'm honestly not sure if you're meant to do it in a star pattern, but I do. Can't go wrong if you do it. So just, yeah. If you're doing this from scratch, from your original steering wheel, and you add in the boss kit to it, I don't know what you call them in other countries, but in Australia we call them a boss kit, which is that, like the adapter plate sort of thing. You're going to want to make sure before you start that your steering wheel is straight and your tyres are straight, so it's all aligned properly. But for me, since I've already done this, and I did that the first time, what I'm just doing is I'm just changing the steering wheel, keeping the boss kit the same, so you don't really have to change anything, like that sort of thing, you know what I mean? So yeah, so it does need an alignment, but that's happening within, I don't know, a month or so. What is it now? 1st of September, probably October, I'll have new parts in. New parts are a secret for right now. Let's just say all handling stuff, and I'm not doing any of it because, well, I don't have a jack other than that scissor jack out of Mum's car, but I don't have a jack, I don't have the right tools. I can't do ball joints. That's not really a handling mod, that's more maintenance sort of stuff, so turret ends. And I got interrupted and I can't remember where I was going with whatever I was saying, but the new wheel is on. And yeah, race car. Feels quite comfortable. I actually haven't even started the car yet, so yeah, don't even know if the horn works, but gotta go for a drive anyway. I'm gonna get rubbish out of the car and whatnot, and go for a drive. I may or may not update you.